This is how you disassemble the Sarasota Breeze pop-up gazebo 10 foot by 10 foot canopy. Bought from Ollie's. It was $59.49 with the 15% off sale. Great price. It's a straight leg canopy and I'll be taking it apart. I already had another video of putting it together. So everything's in reverse. So I'll be removing the stakes in the ground. I didn't attach these ones, but if I did, you know, they get removed too. If they give you difficulty, if you just pull up, it'll pull them out of the ground. Take off the hooks. Okay, so I'm tall enough to undo the Velcro, but if you want, you can just start by lowering the leg. You can go down one or go down again, but I'm just gonna take it down one notch, just be easier. Button. And just then undo all these. 2 on each side, 4 in the middle. Okay, I'm just going to lower it more. Click it. Let it go down. Now it's a mini tent. And I'm just going to go outside and I'm just going to click that red button from the outside. I'll show you how it just drops. So if you click this, you can see it pushes in that little ball piece behind it. See, it just drops down. Just like that. Just goes down. Like so. And then you should just be able to push it in on all sides. So I'm just going around pushing it in. And it's just collapsing in on itself. You see it's getting smaller and smaller. Okay, I left the canopy on top for a reason, because I saw a cool video of how to fold that to get it back into the bag and get it nice and tidy and tight. So I'm just going to take this off, but I'm going to grab it by this area. Just gonna close up a little more. See it's real. Alright. Back here. Okay. So I got the top. Alright, so you take the top center, the very top, and so I just folded that back up. And you just lay this on the ground like this, And I'm just going to take this and put it on top so it doesn't move. I guess we'll lay it down. Alright, that's what you want. And then you take a corner. Take a corner like this, and you hold it. And then you go to the next corner. This is a lot easier with two hands. You just take the next corner, and you're gonna put them together like this. So see, that's the top up there, and I have two corners. I'm gonna grab the next corner. All right, so here's the third one. Three corners. And here's the fourth corner. So, okay, all four corners pinched together, like so. And then you lay it down like a triangle. So it should kind of look like that. Triangle. And then I just drape these on top like that. So that's what it should look like right now. Okay, and you want to take this end of the triangle and you want to make it kind of a square. You want it like that. And then you can fold some of this piece in. And depending the size of the bag, which it's pretty long, I'm just going to fold up like this end. And all right, I'm gonna fold, I need two hands. This end here and this end here. Okay, so it looks like this. And then I'm going to try to put it back in the plastic bag so I can show you how I put it back in the carrying case. Okay, so I just put the plastic bag like that. And then I'm going to just pull it up. I'm going to lift it up in the air and then shake the rest in. But again, I need two hands for that. So hold on. Okay, so it's back in that plastic bag. I'm probably going to just get a heavy duty trash bag for the future, but that'll do for now. And then frame these in like this. Again, I'm using one hand. This is gonna lay right on top, like this. Okay, I put the stakes back in the bag, rubber banded up. That just goes in there and zip it up. That's it. All bundled up and ready to put away. And it's not even a heavy. That's it. That's how you take down and put away the Sarasota Breeze Instant Pop-Up Gazebo Canopy. Have a good day.